Well, good morning. Today we're going to work on something a little different. Not mine, a friend of mine's. He's got this OBS 97 F350. Unfortunately, it's not a 7.3, it's a 460, but he bought it a couple years ago and it's been sitting, and we got it running yesterday, and we're going to clean it up today. And you can see that's what we pulled out of the glove compartment. Pretty interesting. She's a little rough around the edges, but we did a brake line yesterday. See the new brake line under there? And we got her running and we put some transmission fluid in her. Today we're gonna power wash her and clean her up and just make her not look so bad, so he can drive it and use it for trash. So let's get started. We're gonna flush the radiator first and power wash the motor. Get the hood open here, see that? 460, fuel injected. We need that battery for our truck, so maybe when he's not looking, we'll steal that. And we'll get started here, and we'll show you on the way. All right, so we started cleaning here. We took the blower and literally blew out the whole interior. We don't know if we're gonna power wash it or not. We might not get that involved, but cleaned up a little bit. Got some of it out of there. We need door hinges too. But we're flushing the radiator out now, and that's what we got out of it. And you can see it's still quite nasty. And now we're just letting it run. Try to flush all that crap out of the block. We're gonna spray it down, degrease it, and then start power washing. So hopefully we'll get some of this crud off, or at least the worst of it, and go from there. Pretty colors. All right, quick 1 hour update. We're about an hour into it. We blew off some of the really nasty stuff, kind of blew out the jams a little bit. We did get things pretty wet in there, so we'll probably power wash the carpet too. He'll have a wet butt going home, but he'll probably get over it. So we're gonna spray some acid on the wheels. Still gotta get up on the roof, power wash that. But all in all, it is getting cleaner, that's for sure. A lot cleaner under here. Gotta spray this one more time. And we'll show you once we actually put some soap on it. All right. All right, we got her cleaned up. Not the greatest, but it was a quick one. About 2.5 hours. We got her pretty much degreased. We got the worst of it. Motor's a lot cleaner than it was, that's for sure. Flush the radiator out. All in all, I mean, for what it is, came out pretty good. For just 2 hours, you know, we didn't buff it. All we did was wash it with some bleach and some degreaser. Put a little acid on the wheels. That's all I did, was wipe the interior. And just wiped everything down. Got the worst of it off, but it's pretty good though for an old truck. I mean, it is rusted, but he just needs it for trash, so I think it'll be fine. It's white again, that's for sure. Nothing like bleach and water. All right, another clean OBS.